Most people get this wrong. They assume travel insurance is only useful if your flight is canceled, but the Europe Assistance Travel Insurance Plan covers a lot more than just flight disruptions. Today, I'll share my experience using it and whether it's worth it. Europe Assistance offers comprehensive travel insurance, including medical coverage, trip cancellation, lost baggage protection, and even emergency assistance while abroad. When I traveled last year, I had a minor medical emergency, and the insurance covered my hospital bills and even arranged transportation back home. This level of support can save thousands in unexpected costs. One of the biggest advantages is the 24/7 emergency assistance. No matter where you are, Europe Assistance provides multilingual support to guide you through local healthcare systems, lost documents, or travel disruptions. I found this extremely helpful when I lost my passport and needed quick advice. The plan also offers flexible coverage options. You can choose a single trip policy or an annual multi-trip plan, depending on your travel frequency. Premiums vary based on age, trip length, and destination, but they are generally competitive compared to other providers. The surprising truth is that claims processing can take time. While the support team is excellent during emergencies, reimbursement for non-urgent claims may take a few weeks. It's important to keep all receipts and documents to make the process smoother. In conclusion, Europe Assistance Travel Insurance is ideal for frequent travelers or anyone who wants peace of mind abroad. The coverage, global support, and medical protection make it a worthwhile investment, especially for international trips. Subscribe for more honest travel insurance reviews and tips to travel smart and safe.